Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video, we will see how you can create your Gemini account and get the Gemini key for using in the code projects. So we have to first register for the Gemini key. So we have to search for AI Studio key because AI Studio is where you will create the Gemini key. Now it is different than the Gemini account obviously. So this is for if you want to use it for the code purpose, so we have to go for AI Studio. So once you go inside, I will show you by step. Okay, since I have logged out, I will try showing you again. So we have just logged in with new account and we have to select this option and click continue. So this is the screen you will see and you will see the create API key option here. You have to click on that and you can create a new project, and then like we have selected the project, you can give any name here. So this is the key, you can copy the key. Now important thing is this, like currently what we have got here is free tier. Now about this, the thing is you can use chat models for free in the free tier, but you cannot use the image generation models. So if you will go and try working with image models, then you will get error 4 to 9, which means it is out of quota. So if you are trying to use the image models, then what you have to do is you have to go and click on setup billing, and it will ask you the country, and then it will ask you the details. Okay, you can add your payment method here, and once you go pass through this section, then you will be able to add amount into your API also. Now, what will happen is once you complete all these steps, then you will start seeing your billing account here. And after that, whenever you will use the API, you will be able to see the usage here. And you can also put a limit on the billing. From the spend menu, you will be able to add like how much amount maximum you want to use. So Gemini, the way it works is like it will let you use first and then it will be deducting the amount from your account. Okay, so that's how it is gonna to work. So that's it guys, you can create the keys and attach your billing section here and use. Thank you guys.